What's the meaning of asbestos? Asbestos. Asbestos.
Asbestos. Asbestos. Asbestos is a naturally occurring mineral substance that is often used in insulation, construction materials, and other products due to its fire-resistant and insulating properties. However, exposure to asbestos fibers can lead to serious health problems, including lung cancer, mesothelioma, and asbestosis. Asbestos-related diseases often take years to develop and can have severe consequences. Due to the health risks associated with asbestos, the use of the material is regulated in many countries, and efforts are made to remove it from buildings and other products to minimize the risk of exposure.